back in Keningau when I met this pretty girl, young dazzling princess. She left me in a twirl. Hair was damn fine, her dressing was simple. Every time she smiled, you could see her pretty dimples. I knew she was too young, so I just became a friend. She was still in school, I didn't try to apprehend. I met her at a party at my grandma's place. Music was sumazao, and tapai was a taste. I was hanging with the peeps, getting in line. It's a pundok-mundok stew for me to dine. So I say, hey baby girl, thanks for the game. I think you're kinda cute, could you tell me your name? I could see that she was blushing and feeling kinda shy. I knew she was a fan the way she looked me in the eye. No need for introductions, the name is Atama. One day I'll sweep you off your feet, take you to Bahamas. Yo, what's up, man?
No kura ko di ka mau boros orang putih.
Oh, what? Can I?
Mau boros dusun bagi ya?
Poblos dusun, ano timpo no TikTok ya? No susu aku hilo id kampung nga o sukar aku hilo bandar do KL. Pakaraja sengulun monsin sinding o gumu tambal o gumu nogi peminat. Insan dota daw minut aku hilo kampung minongoy ruba to pinay om tambalut. Au olingay molohing ko pusangku mogi tatabi menguru daw langatku. Masuk rumah main miampai nogi tambalut no silikan ku iso sumandak talawa sumandak kampung nga olumis ngingis daw.
Hututun kedah gel bagian ngaranku.
Mantan no di kagayat o ginawa ku buliin nang ku min tutuno ku dika. Sabut tangan nu pengigit di longan nu hata kondo ho man po tanda mata.
Di lawak dia isinding no atama.
Terima kasih nak ya.
Majau hip hop ya. Miagait onuti tulun toy tom ya.
Hehe, otok hot.
Ngam naino. Onu cerita itu mana no.
Sabaran pedah, harus ceritaan ku untuk ika. Kisam no di minuli oku ITL miagal tomoy mo asibuk kumaraja. Misining hiti ming sinding hilo mo gium do kepusian sendiri. Insan do tadaw uka boku lamari ko kito oku saputangan tina aknu saputangan borinda do tepurak sinulam do banang amas. Bainan no kosoro o sumuk no nulihuan sumanda o lumis mantan keningau no korubaan ku di tahun pagulum menguat do sini kulanu. Buli aku nang kumi ruba di kami tong kuda do ko imani mananu mosi do olundus om nogi alangkas aharap o kudo orian kodoho.